India Today has been able to piece together details after talking to eyewitnesses about what happened at the New Delhi railway station around 10 last night when there was a stampede, and unfortunately at least 18 people, including 9 women and 5 children, have lost their lives. So there was a massive crowd build-up on platform number 14 around 9:15 in the evening, and these were passengers who were waiting to board the Prayagraj Express for the Mahakumbh at Prayag. Authorities, looking at the crowds, more than 1,500 tickets were sold in a span of 1 hour, according to railways officials that India Today has spoken to. They announced special trains at 9:30, and this special train to Prayagraj was to leave from platform number 16. Railways officials and those on ground say usually trains for Prayagraj are from from platforms 14, 15 and 16. So passengers, even those who were there on platform number 14 and were unable to board the Prayagraj Express, they rushed towards platform number 16. And that is where, when you see images of the massive crowds around 9:50, those going to platform 16, those coming to platform 14, and those trying to go from platform 14 to 16, they came head on, and there was absolutely no place to move. This happened at 10. According to railways officials, that is when one passenger slipped and it led to a stampede in which at least 18 people are feared to have lost their lives. Now, the opposition is clearly hitting out, and rightly so, at the railways. The opposition is saying, why invite crores and crores and claim that more than 50 crore devotees have taken a holy dip at the Sangam if the arrangements are so shoddy? Listen in to the opposition attack and the government's defense.
हम मिले हैं जो इंजर्ड हैं यहाँ पे, पूरा उनका इलाज चल रहा है और पूरी देखरेख के साथ इलाज चल रहा है। कई लोग हैं जिनको 4-5 पेशेंट्स हैं जिन्हों कुछ दिनों में, कुछ देर में डिस्चार्ज भी कर दिया जाएगा। ये देखिए एक बहुत दुखद घटना है और जो लोग गुजर गए हैं, हम उनकी आत्मा की शांति के लिए प्रार्थना करते हैं। LNJP में 15 लोग पहुँचे हैं जो मृत अवस्था में ही यहाँ पे पहुँचे हैं, और जैसा मैंने कहा कि तकरीबन उतने ही इंजर्ड लोग यहाँ पे
बहुत दुखद घटना घटी है। हम सब लोग को श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करते हैं। रेलवे का ये गलती है, रेलवे के मैनेजमेंट से लापरवाही की वजह से इतने लोगों की मौत हुई है। मुझे काफी अफसोस है।
भगदड़ से जो मौतें हुई हैं, जनता दल यूनाइटेड परिवार अत्यंत मर्माहत है। रेल मंत्रालय और केंद्र सरकार बेहतर चिकित्सा के इंतजामात के निर्देश दें, यह अभी सबसे बड़ी जरूरत है। लालू जी जैसे राजनेताओं को कुंभ पर सियासत करने के बजाय कैसे हम घायलों को और मृतकों के परिवारों को मदद कर सकते हैं, इस पर बातें करनी चाहिए।
इस सरकार की सबसे प्रमुख चिंता यह है कि इन मौतों की खबरों को कैसे रोका जाए। राजा के लिए अपनी छवि, निखरती हुई छवि दिखती रहनी चाहिए। लोग जाएं भाड़ में। आप व्यवस्था नहीं सुचारू कर सकते, देश की राजधानी में व्यवस्था नहीं सुचारू कर सकते। किस तरह की आप बातें करते हैं, धार्मिक बातें करते हैं, और धर्म का एक इतना बड़ा आयोजन हो रहा है, उसमें आप व्यवस्था नहीं कर पाते। सरकार से हम ये मांग करते हैं कि जवाबदेही फिक्स करे, जिम्मेदारी फिक्स करे। ये बार बार आंख मूंद लेने से घटना की हकीकत को छिपाया या दबाया नहीं जा सकता।
ये रेल विभाग की संवेदनहीनता का और अश्वनी वैष्णव की संवेदनहीनता का और लापरवाही का एक बड़ा नतीजा है। जिस तरीके से वहां पर एक दुखद हादसा हुआ और जिस तरीके से लोग उसमें मरे हैं, इसकी जिम्मेवारी सीधे सीधे भारतीय जनता पार्टी के शासन की और प्रशासन की है। शासन और प्रशासन को चाहिए कि आगे बढ़कर के अपनी नाकामी स्वीकार करे। सरकार से मांग करता हूं कि इस तरीके के हादसों को भी रोके और जितने मृतक परिवार हैं उनको 25-25 लाख अनुग्रह राशि दी जाए।
नई दिल्ली रेलवे स्टेशन पर कल देर रात जो भगदड़ हुई, उसमें जिन्होंने अपने स्वजन परिजन खोए हैं, उनके प्रति हम अपनी संवेदना प्रकट करते हैं। रेलवे प्रशासन क्यों नहीं सचेत रहा, क्यों नहीं जाग रहा? रेल मंत्री अश्विनी वैष्णव, आप क्या कर रहे हैं? कितनी मासूम जिंदगियों ने कल अपने आप को खो दिया, अपने स्वजनों को खो दिया। इसका कोई संज्ञान लेने को तैयार है कि नहीं? अरे आप एक अच्छा दुरुस्त प्रशासन क्यों नहीं देते? नियम कानून में क्यों नहीं चलते? बार बार रेलवे प्रशासन पर सवाल उठ रहा है, बार बार उनके मैनेजमेंट पर सवाल उठ रहा है, लेकिन कोई सुध लेने वाला नहीं है। सिर्फ एलजी साहब ट्वीट कर देंगे, रेलवे मंत्री ट्वीट कर देंगे, प्रधानमंत्री जी ट्वीट कर देंगे। इससे क्या लोगों के जख्मों पर मरहम लग जाएगा?
तो कोई भी मनुष्य जीवन असमय जाना ये अत्यंत दुखद घटना है। मैं मेरे समवेदना उन परिवारों के प्रति जताता हूँ।
There are some questions that the administration must answer, whether it's the railways or the ministers. Did crowd control management fail completely at the New Delhi railway station? Why was this not anticipated? Because when the administration, whether it's the Uttar Pradesh government or the central government, they're talking about the Mahakumbh, that the Mahakumbh is happening after a gap of 144 years. They're asking devotees from across the length and breadth of our country to reach Prayagraj. When they say that the numbers would cross 40 to 42 crores, and the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath very proudly announced that it had crossed 50 crore. Then shouldn't every part of the government come together to ensure that there are effective measures being taken to facilitate the devotees going to Prayagraj? Why permit overcrowding on a platform? It's a weekend. You know crowds will be there. You know more people will be going. So why were senior railways officers, senior police officers not there? And if effective measures need to be taken for crowd control, why wasn't it done on the Ajmeri Gate side? Create a holding area, vacate the parking lots, let only those many people go into the platform as trains can accommodate. If you're saying you're running 5 to 6 special trains, then make sure it's a smooth process. The direct trains and special trains, why were they not streamlined? The biggest question, crowd control requires effective communication. Railway stations have a public address system. Why wasn't that used effectively? And our ultimate question, remember 2013 at the Prayagraj railway station, there was a stampede when an announcement was made suddenly about changing the platform. That is where a stampede had taken place and many people lost their lives. Hasn't exactly the same thing happened here in 2024? So in 2025, have no lessons been learned from 2013 to 2025? And I want to cut across to India Today's Shreya Chatterjee, who's been speaking to officials at the railways to try and seek some of these answers. Because Shreya, when the administration, when CPRO Northern Railway says that there was no additional crowd, there was no extra crowd, it's just that one person tripped and there was a stampede. Does that cut ice, or is that actually rubbing salt on wounds of those who've been killed and injured?
Well, you know, Gaurav, we're also unfortunately living in an era where the word stampede-like is used to probably manage a situation which in fact is a stampede. And that is exactly why there are so many contradictory versions, official ones though, that are coming in of the stampede that happened yesterday at the New Delhi railway station. Now, one of the report, now this is a report that has been accessed from high-level inquiries that are being conducted on the incident. That report very categorically says that on platform number 14, a train was to come for Kumbh. It got delayed. Simultaneously, the train arrived at 16, which was a special train that was delegated only after seeing the surge of tickets. So clearly, this is a poor communication of information, and that's exactly what leads to the stampede. That is what the report is suggesting. However, the CPRO of Northern Railways is suggesting that on platform number 14 and 15, a woman slipped and fell down. That subsequently led to the communication, the entire commotion. So unfortunate that there are contradictory versions, all official ones, to also make us understand that what really happened. But we are speaking with individuals on the ground, Gaurav, and all of them are suggesting that there was an issue regarding the announcement which led to the confusion here. And the packed audience. Yes. Even if we forget about the announcement, why couldn't the railways stop the ticket counter when they were seeing that surge of tickets? 1,500 tickets per hour for Kumbh. That was the ratio at what tickets were being sold. It's very unfortunate that it could not have been stopped at that. Why was there no relay of communication on that?
Keep tracking that story, Shreya. These are so many unanswered questions that we're seeking answers to, and we will continue to seek answers to this. It's a very nice Mahakumbh, but it doesn't stay that nice